Hello, you are welcome to Smart Trading 247. My name is Smart and I am your host on this channel. As a crypto trader, I make videos about crypto and forex trading for both newbies and intermediate traders. If you are new to trading, or you are an intermediate, or you intend to venture into crypto and forex trading, or you are already using the Utrading AI robot to trade and are still struggling with it or constantly seeing losses, then this video is for you. If this is your first time of coming across my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop your comments if need be. Also, do not forget to turn on that notification bell icon so that anytime I drop any video on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Without wasting time, let's dive into today's lesson. I will be showing you how you can determine how much profit you are going to make in any trade that you take using the robot. It is dependent on how you set your parameters and the S formula that you are using. This video will be in episodes because I will be showing you how to use the 1S, 2S, 3S, and 4S formulas. If you are new to crypto trading using the Utrading robot, then don't skip any part of this video unless you want to keep seeing losses in your trades. Now over to my Utrading application, where I will be teaching once again how to actually use the 2S formula. In the previous video, in the episode 1 of this series, I talked about how you can actually use the 1S formula and how to get the 1S formula. But in this video, I'm talking about how to actually make use of the 2S formula. And in this place, we are going to be using 2BOR. Let's use this particular coin, 2BOR, as our reference coin. Let's assume you want to trade on this particular coin now. How do you make use of the 2S formula? So I click on this particular coin as usual, then it brings me to this particular trade place. Your trade must be on manual if you must get this right. Now, so I click on this start button. Then it brings me here. Then I will select the direction of the trade as usual. Whatever I want to use as my trade direction, either I trade long, I trade short, I trade auto hedging, or I trade auto direction. So which of them I choose to trade lies with me. So I will come down here. Now, what this particular 2S formula means is this, is that whatever will be in this place as your final contract, when divided by your leverage, it will give you 2. That is the meaning. That is just what the 2S formula is all about. Because in the 1S formula, we said that whatever we get here as anything that we get in this place as our final contract divided by whatever we use as our leverage, that will give us the S formula that we are using for that particular trade. So now that we have selected the coin that we want to trade, let me go straight and select our leverage. So this is our leverage. Now let's make use of 25x as our leverage. So I pick 25x now. And remember, like I said, our max order should always be 1. This particular place here should always be 1. For this demonstration, I want to make use of 1. But in the actual trade, you can make use of 2. Because most times a coin may go against you. That will be another video for another day. Please make sure you check my channel to see any video where I talked about max order. You're going to see, in fact, it is in the video that I taught on how to master the Utrading parameters, how to know the Utrading parameters, and to use them to actually place your trades. So I discussed it in that video. Please go through my channel, go through my playlist. You're going to see that video, and then make sure that you watch that video, and then you understand the Utrading parameters. So I'm going to be changing this place to 1, the max order to 1. And so I scroll up again. Remember, I've taken my leverage to be 25x. So in order for me to make use of this particular 2S formula, this contract here must give me 50 USDT. Because once I divide that 50 by this 25, I'm going to have 2. That is what we call the 2S formula. So, and how do I make this particular place here to give me 50 USDT or something close to 50 USDT? It's very simple. The formula I talked about in the 1S formula video is that I will use my initial position multiplied by my leverage divided by my initial contract, the initial contract here. So what this means is this: on this particular screen now, I'm going to say this 4,689, that is my initial position. This one here, 4,000. This one here, 4,689 multiplied by this 25 here, then divided by 16.997. So if I go straight to my calculator, I'm going to do that 4,689 times 25. I go straight to my calculator and I have 4689 multiplied by 25. I have that, then divided by 16.997. So I have 6,896.8. Like I said in the first video, there is no point there, so you have to use a whole number. This is 6,896. So we're going to go back right now and fix this place, make this place here. We're going to turn this place to 8,689. So let us do that. That was what we got here. Sorry, 6,896. 6,896. So we're going to make it 6,896. As you can see, this gives us 24, which is approximately 25 anyway. So we now times it by 2. We're not going to do it times 2. So we have this number multiplied by 2. And we have 13,793. So I'm going to change this place now to 13,793. 793. Let us see. You can see we have 49.9999, which is approximately 50. So as far as I have done that now, this place has given me 50, and here has also given me 50. And so that is what we call, by the time you now do 50 divided by 25, the answer is going to give you 2. So this is what we call the 2S formula. This is what is called, we call the 2S formula. It's as simple as that. So I have actually prepared a table, as I did in the 1S formula video. I prepared a table that will guide you if you want to be making use of the 2S formula. So let's go straight to that particular video table, so that I can explain how the table works and the profit you're going to be making if you're making use of the 2S formula. So this is the table where I discussed the 2S formula. It is similar to the 1S formula. So if you have actually watched my 1S formula, you should understand this table. It's just the same thing. The difference is just the multiplying factor, which is 2. So what this table means is this: if you want to enter a trade and you want to make more profit, you can use the 2S formula. But remember, when it comes to crypto trading or even forex trading, the more risk you take in a trade, the more profit we make, and the more loss we make also if the market goes against you. For instance, if you enter a trade using one of the parameters on this table, let's assume that you go for a trade with a very high leverage, let's say with 100x leverage. And then let's also assume that the coin is not a volatile coin and you decide to go with 2% as your take profit. At the end of the trade, if the trade goes in your favor, you are going to be getting 4 USDT as your profit. You are going to be getting 4 USDT as your profit, simply because you are making use of the 2S formula. That is the reason why you are going to be getting 4 USDT as your profit. Now, at the same time, if this market goes against you and you did not set a stop loss, you didn't set a stop loss, and this market goes against you and it gets to 2% in the reverse direction, let's assume that you chose long direction and the market goes in the short direction. If it gets to 2%, your account would have lost 4 USDT also, as the case may be. You understand? This is how these things work. So when placing your trade, make sure that you are very, very careful. The advantage, actually, the advantage that the Utrading AI robot has is that it has other features. It has things like signal trading. So you can actually use your signals to come and trade on this manual. You understand? So and as a beginner, you don't have to know anything about fundamental analysis or technical analysis. You understand? So with the Utrading robot, you can actually do these things and then get your profit. The main thing is this: don't be greedy when it comes to crypto trading. You understand? You just have to have a target. You can say, okay, today I want to make $4 today. This $4, I don't want to make it in a single trade. For instance, now if let's assume you're using this 2X-Formula now and you want to make $4 for today. Let's assume you have a capital of $100 and you want to be making $4 per day, or you want to be making, okay, let's say you want to be making $10 per day. You know that if you enter a single trade that day using this 2X-Formula and you pick this 100x, just one single trade, and you set your profit to be 5%, you will definitely make that $10 in a single trade. You can see, look at it here. This place, you can make this $10 in a single trade. But you now ask yourself, can I take this risk? Understand? Can I take this risk? So if you know you can take this risk, it also means that if that day the market goes against you and it gets to 5% in the reverse direction, you will also be losing this 10 USDT. So in that case now, to serve as a checkpoint, you must make use of the stop loss system so that you will not even lose all these 10 USDT if the market goes against you in the reverse direction. So if you choose that day that you want to make $10 now, you can go for a single trade that will give you $10, or you can go for 5 trades that will give you $2 each with a lower leverage of, let's say, with a lower leverage of 20s. You can go for a profit of 2 USDT 5 times that day, or you can decide to go for 50s leverage, and then you go for 2 trades. Each trade will give you 5 USDT. With 2 trades, you will definitely get your $10 as your daily target. So if you're making $10 every day for 30 days, you have $300 with just $100 as your startup capital, as your trading capital. So this is what is known as the 2S formula. I just want you to take your time to look at this table, study it, and then use this table to decide how much you want to make per the trade that you want to make. Thank you, and I will see you in the next formula, which is the 3S formula. Thank you for watching this video up to this time. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell icon so that anytime I drop new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video if need be. Please share this video with your family and friends who you think might be interested in knowing how to trade. You might be saving a life. If you want to start trading with this robot, you need a good coach to guide you so that you don't lose all your capital. You can use the number on my screen to reach me now on WhatsApp so that I can add you to my VIP group on Telegram, where you are going to learn everything completely for free. Look at my screen also. You will see a Telegram link. That is the link to my Telegram group, where I attend to every of my students that wants to learn how to use this Utrading robot. You can equally check the description of this video for relevant links. Remember, Utrading robots can help you and turn $200 to $1,000 in just 1 month. But you need to know the right settings to use. Otherwise, you will lose your entire capital while using the robot. This is the mistake that so many newbies have made, and then they keep complaining that trading is difficult or that trading is a scam. It's not a scam. It's just that they have failed to understand the concept. They have failed to understand how these things are done. They have failed to learn how to set the robot. But for you, don't make that mistake. Take the number on my screen, get across to me on WhatsApp, and I will add you to my Telegram group. Please note that to start using the Utrading robot, you will need a minimum of $200 to get started. This is how it is shared. $100 is used as the money to get you gas. You gas is the fuel that the robot uses to trade while you are offline, or while even though you are online, but you want to make use of the robot. The robot uses that to trade on your behalf. Then the balance of $100 is used as your startup capital. And remember, you are not giving this money to anybody. You are not even keeping your trading capital in the robot. Your trading capital will be in your exchange. Whether you are using Binance or Bybit or BitGet, that is where your capital will be. And then the robot will be taking small dollars there to be trading for you on daily basis and be giving you the profits. Trading is risky. So you must make sure you learn from experts who already knows how to make use of this robot, so that you will not lose all your capital through trading. Always remain in profits, always be positive, and always make sure that you learn new things every day. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.